Why do men tend to die earlier than women in marriage?
Thank you for that wonderful question. There were so many things that I contribute towards that. One, most men, at least some men, normally marry women that are far older than. That's one contributed to it. If to die has to do with age and first come first serve. So that is one. Two, men normally do more riskier job. Yes, you can see some men, working in housekeeper, doing risky jobs, working in oil field, then oil rig in the ocean. Then they are more in the military, taking risky jobs, security outfits. They are always there in the battlefield. The infanteries have more of men. Some risky jobs, doing bricklayer, doing a healthy work, go to where they are loading things. You see men doing so many things. And some of those work are very risky. Sometimes the risky of that job will take their life. I know one of my kinsmen, he used to work with NEPA. Then one of those people that normally climb pole and whatever, and there was something related to something. He was electrocuted and he fell from the pole and eventually he passed on. So because of risky this thing, it contributes more. Again, another thing is that men face so many things like the family burden, the pressure. Some men normally have passed on because what have to do with high BP because of family pressure. Most women, especially when you got the wrong person, he will not even appreciate you that you are trying. He will always telling you need to pay this bill, you need to pay this bill, and some of them have the mindset that they are a woman for the fact that they are woman have warrior. So all those things, many pressure to men. So and men is to be in the shelter to cover the family. It's not easy. You always be on the forefront. Even as you see pictures on the remember. So many things may lead to working and sometimes men because of the family pressure, here can depend beggy, bone can do family, immediate family, bone can dog. Yet both for the no thank you not very much from the woman they call your wife. And sometimes some men are they one time or pariamo, you gotta go. Most men are more na then because I not to I not got sisi pariamo, you gotta go to resuscitate their life and nerves. But so many things you name so for them okay, they choked up and then if I ran up, so many men, men do cry. But because of trying to show that I'm a man. So sometimes most men, if they are passing pain, they will be crying inside heart. And that one is even worse pass. So most men, I do encourage men that sometimes if they cry out. But sometimes don't like to cry out because of we see them as less man. So they will be dying in silence and everything. So all those things and the most important thing is that in the family setting where we have now, it favors women more. So most men, even if you watch a kid or kaki, at the end of the day, I can tell you the woman you married will still benefit more from the children. So all those things contribute and it's for them working area. What do you area put an or kaki? At the end of the day, only got to let go and have other things that do distract him a little bit for a while. Nobody could take it to the heart and don't want to kill lady to maybe high BP or any other complicated. And because at old age, sometimes if you are not lucky to have a good woman, you will not even see a woman that will take care of you at old age. And by that time, you could say that no, as your son and rest of them, you will not even see genuine ones. And some of those things can lead to more problems. Thank you.